Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the September 2020 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month comes out every month and includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's going to have everything you need to create. So you'll have more than enough product to keep you busy all month long and inspiration to get you going. So along with your Flavors of the Month, you'll also receive access to 4 recipe cards. These are designed by the design team. They come out with a double page layout, one for each one of the 4 collections. It will include cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of their finished layout. So you can create right along with them. And of course, you can take off and do whatever you like with your kits. You'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee. So if you love coffee, you're going to love this part of the kit. Brew it up, sip on it while you create, and have some fun. This month, our 4 collections are going to give you lots of variety to scrapbook this month. So from American Crafts, we have Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. From Cartabella, we have Hello Autumn. Can you believe it's already fall time? And then from Pebbles, we have The Avenue, designed by Jen Hatfield. And from Photoplay Paper, we have The New Normal. So we are still living in the COVID, and it is truly becoming the new normal. So we have even more fun items to document the times that we're living in. Let's take a closer look at each one of these collections and everything that you're going to receive this month. Our first collection is Late Afternoon from Amy Tangerine. She always has some beautiful colors, full of color. You can see the entire rainbow here. This is more of a fall type collection, so it has a little bit of the muted tones and the fall florals. So really pretty. You're going to start with 2 sheets of denim cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one called Bright Bouquets, and it's bouquets of fall flowers on an off-white background. The back is this blueprint, just kind of some little check marks going throughout there. So this is a beautiful kind of a neutral, what I consider a neutral paper. Full branding strip of those florals. This paper called Marigold Meadows, which is a floral meadow of flowers on this golden yellow, and the back is a loose polka dot on red. Just really beautiful colors. This one called Rainbow Lane, which is the brush strokes of rainbows. You got the whole color scheme there. The back is this light blue crosshatch on the darker blue. And again, each one of those has the full branding strip, so you get a little bit of extra pattern there. For your embellishments, you're going to receive half of the sticker sheets. So these are going to vary. You're going to receive the 6x12. So the one I have has some small little strips here, similar to washi strips. Love these little hearts in the wood grain. We have words and icons to go along with your collection to decorate all of your projects. So that is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon. Our next collection is another fall collection. This is from Cartabella. They always do beautiful collections. We're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. Then your pattern paper is that awesome textured cardstock that Cartabella is known for. We have the farm trucks, the pumpkins, the little fruit baskets, just so many great fall fruits and vegetables here. Super cute. The back is a leaf pattern on that light green, kind of a minty green. That one is called Fall Harvest. Then we have this one that's beautiful florals. Isn't that gorgeous together? With the orange and the rusty red with that minty green. The back is a cross pattern on the red, kind of that rusty red. That one is called Fall Floral. Then we have the fall leaves falling on the cream background, and the back is a plaid that's done like a brush stroke, so it's loose in all of the colors that you're going to see in this collection. So from the olive green to the rusty red and orange, the minty green, and that gold. Just beautiful colors. This one is called Scattered Leaves. So again, one more look at that pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a fourth a pack of the tags and frames. So these will vary, but this is what was in mine. And these here, the insides do punch out, so you have two different pieces, or you can keep them together. So again, those will vary, but very similar. You're going to get some enamel dots. Again, the colors will vary, but I got the green. And then a sheet of stickers. So these are going to vary as well. This is a 4.5 by 9.5 sticker sheet. So the one I received was all of the word labels, which I love my word labels, but you could receive some with icons or phrases. So that is a look at Hello Autumn from Cartabella. Our next collection is the Avenue from Pebbles, designed by Jen Hatfield. She always does beautiful collections with florals. This is no exception. So I love the dark blues in this collection. We really don't get a lot of blues, so I'm always excited when we get them. So this is a beautiful kind of a country blue. And it's a great kind of general theme, so you can scrapbook lots of different things with it. To start with, you'll receive 2 sheets of white cardstock. For the pattern paper, we're going to start with this one called Astor Avenue, which are these beautiful blue flowers. The back is a green with kind of a leaf print in the blue. Full branding strip, so it's got that green and blue striped. This paper called Flower Drive, which is a black and white print of small flowers. And the back is a black and white check. Just gorgeous, and I love the branding strip of butterflies. This one called Wildflower Way, which is some wildflowers and leaves and the pinks and the blues on that white, and the back is that light blue on the darker blue, and then the branding strip is another one of the stripes going vertical this time. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a mixture of the floral and icon die cuts, the ephemera pieces. So I got a couple of little houses and florals and the bouquet and this cute, adorable little squirrel here. So those will vary, but you'll get a nice little sampling of embellishments. You're also going to receive 2 rows of the puffy word phrases. So these are the ones that I got. And then some puffy hearts. So these will vary as well. I got the gold ones. So that is Jen Hatfield, The Avenue. Our final collection is the New Normal from Photoplay. So this is another COVID-19 collection because it just continues. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Then the pattern paper is this one called Sidewalk. This one's really cool because it looks like sidewalk art on this black background. So it's social distancing. Everything is going to be okay. Kindness is contagious too. Coronavirus. It has all the masks 6 feet away. The back is a plaid in the blue, green, and orange. This one's called Cover Your Face with all of these different masks and the different prints. So this is perfect. I don't know about you, but going to work every day, it's become the new normal that I have all kinds of masks lined up and I wear a different one every day, and then I have to wash them on the weekend, so I need to be documenting that. That was perfect paper to do it. This one is a little polka dots in the different colors on the dark blue. Quarantini, which is a diagonal stripe in all of the different colors. And the back is the cut aparts for 3x4s. And we have a 4x6 up here. So lots of different things that you could tuck in. Love the little sloth. The Great 2020 Staycation. And social distance guideline for dog people. This is really, really cute. So that is your paper for the new normal. And then your embellishments, you could have plenty to embellish with the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have the smiley little face with his mask. We have a scalloped border down here with stripes and word labels. And this strip here has the little potty people with the arrows in between. That's super cute. And I love this, that this one includes, yep, I'm essential and frontline workers, essential workers, because that's me. I've been at work the whole time. I got to work at home 1 week, so that is something I need to document. Then we have lots of the icons, word labels, the new normal, all the hashtags that we're using right now. Social distancing, that's perfect for a title. The little takeout, curbside pickup, because we are definitely still in that phase. So that is the new normal from Photoplay paper. Don't forget we have add-ons to make this go even further. So there's patterned paper, there's cardstock, and there's an embellishment add-on. Also, the Shots of Life coordinates, so you can grab it as an add-on as well. And we have other kits available as well as individual items in the store. And check us out on the Facebook group, play with some challenges, win some prizes, and see what everybody's creating. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.